Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. So today I'm come to show you all how to make butter chicken curry, butter chicken out of the masala paste what we did yesterday. So I will be taking half of this for half kg of chicken. If you want a thick gravy, but if you want to add 1 kg of chicken and half of this, then also it's fine. So half of this is like tablespoon. I will tell you how much is the tablespoon. So I will make half. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 10. So remaining I'll keep it inside for my next time use. So 10 tablespoon of the paste what we made, and that recipe is given down in the description box, how to make this butter chicken masala paste at home and to use for our butter chicken. Okay, so this is now what we need for our butter chicken curry. We need 1 cup of coconut milk or coconut juice. I am not going to use coconut. I'm not going to use our fresh cream. So instead of fresh cream, I am using coconut milk to our butter chicken. Then this is half kg of total half kg of chicken. So this is like quarter and this is of half. So I am taking bones and boneless. So boneless you can use breast or you can use the thigh part. So these are few thigh parts. So quarter kg of thigh parts and quarter kg of chicken. So it makes it half kg total. Then ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chili powder. We need oil and 3 tablespoon of hung curd. So let's start. First of all, we will marinate our chicken with ginger garlic paste. And salt to taste. Apply this. तर हांवें आतां हे टोटल अर्दो किलो मांस घेतला. तितून जावन आसा हाडांचें मांस पूण आसा आनी आमचे बोनलेस थायचे पूण आसा. तुमकां जाय आख्खे बोनलेस घेयात, तुमकां जाय आख्खी हाडांचे जाय हाडां घेयात, जे तुमकां आवडटा पळय तसलें मांस घेयात. आनी ही आतां हांव कोडी दाखयतां. काल जो हांवें तुमकां मसालो दाखयला आनी मसाल्याची मागीर कशी आमची कोडी करूंक जाय पळय तें हांव तुमकां दाखयतां. ओके, आनी हितून मीठ घालात. सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट. आनी एका आतां सायडीक दवरात. आतां नेक्स्ट आमचें कितें जाय आमकां पयलीं तर आमचो मसालो तयार आसा. So our masala is ready, and now what we need is our chicken. Now for those people who don't want to go through all this process, just take this little bit of oil or butter, fry this masala and add your chicken piece and it's done. But if you want to really make it with a procedure, then this is the procedure. Easy also is there, but that taste you will not get. So I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil, of mustard oil, and I will take 2 of this Kashmiri red chili powder and give a stir. I will add a curd to this. And with this very nicely. So there are no lumps. We'll add a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and if you want spicy, then half teaspoon of normal chili powder. Again I am saying, if you don't want this procedure, directly add the masala in a pan and add your chicken. Still you will get a butter chicken because everything is there in this masala paste. But if you want to do authentic way or traditional way, how it is, then this is the procedure. Add little bit of salt to this. Now we'll marinate all this. Keep this either overnight or for a few hours, and then you fry this on high flame. Mix this all nicely. So now we'll fry this. So now we'll fry this. No oil, okay, because I've already added oil for this. And then it it's on high flame. So you can see the oil is already this, and we will just turn this. I have more recipes on butter chicken also, which are my old videos. You can check there also. So one can prepare butter chicken curry in a different way. If your masala, the base masala is ready, then you can do lot of things. So trying to make it as easy and simple for my friends who loves butter chicken. तर ॲक्च्युली जेन्ना तुमचे कडेन तो बेस तयार आसता तेन्ना तुमच्यान बटर चिकन बासा बासा भाशेन तुमच्यान रांदूं येता. रांदप न्हू एकूच हिंगासो स्टॉप जायना. डिफरंट तुमी करूं येता. ओके, पूण केन्ना केन्ना कितें आसता ओरिजिनल आसता तेका पूण टिकोंक जाय आमी. At this point we will add our base masala of our butter chicken. Make the gas low or slow. And mix this all nicely. Now we'll add this jar water in this. And let this cook for 10 minutes. Now we'll add a fresh, that is, you can add your fresh cream, but I am using coconut juice or coconut milk to this. And mix this. And let it get cooked now for around 10 minutes or till your chicken is nicely cooked. So here is our butter chicken is ready to serve. Now when the time you are serving, you can garnish it with fenugreek leaves. You can also give a tandoori flavor by placing a coal in between this. So it's up to you. You want to have it this way directly, just have it. You want to garnish it, then garnish it with butter. If you want to add butter on this, you can just add 1 cube and of butter, or how much butter you want, it's up to you. So तुमका बटर घालूंक जाय हेचेर जाल्यार बटर घालात, एक असो क्यूब मेवता पळय तो घालात, हेल्थ कॉन्शियस लागोन. कोणाक जाय 2 घालात, 2 घालात. टोटल तुमचेर आसा तुमकां कितलो बटर जावो पळय तो. ओके, आनी फेनुग्रीक लिव्स घालून मागीर ताका गार्निश करात. गार्निशिंग पार्ट इज योर्स. Decoration part is yours in this. So here is a fenugreek leaves and the butter is also there. So hope you all will enjoy this. We are going to enjoy this. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. So कसुरी मेथी पळय ही आमची एव्हरेस्टाची कसुरी मेथी. Very useful in all the dishes. So enjoy this dish. Enjoy korat. Butter chicken with homemade masala. Thank you so much. Thank you.